Welcome to Villa Amalfi Crystal Sand Lake, new built in 2016. Villa Amalfi is a new home Mediterranean-style community that is walled and gated with low HOA fees and pet-friendly. The community is made up of 92 villas. This unit is an open floor plan, consisting of a kitchen, dining, and living room, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a den with many upgrades and 2-car garage is the home you have been looking for. Move-in ready with window treatment, plantation shutters, extended paver caged lanai. Kitchen has granite counters, cabinets with pull-out shelving, upgraded extended granite island with bar seating, gas oven range and stainless appliances. Kitchen upper cabinets are 36 with crown tile floors throughout except den dining room with beautiful wood floor. Gas 50-gallon water heater and electric dryer. Upgraded with built-ins in great room and master closet. Laundry room upgraded with built-in cabinets and location in 2nd bedroom hallway. Utility sink and storage cabinets in garage. Coffer ceiling in great room with crown molding and can lighting. Gated community maintenance free, with beautiful pool, hot tub and covered sitting area. Conveniently located between SR70 and University off of Lockwood Ridge. Make an appointment to see this beautiful villa today.